Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to take your cleaning routine to the next level, the Electrolux WellQ7 Cordless 2-in-1 vacuum with high suction power. We found this vacuum online and have added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about what makes the Electrolux WellQ7 stand out in the crowded market of vacuum cleaners. This model boasts a unique 2-in-1 design, which means it can function as both a traditional stick vacuum for your floors and a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach spaces. Whether you need to tackle dust on your carpets or crumbs on your kitchen counter, this vacuum is ready to take on the challenge. One of the standout features of the WellQ7 is its high suction performance. Equipped with a powerful motorized nozzle, it effortlessly removes fine dust and dirt from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. But what's even more impressive is the brush roll clean technology. This feature allows the vacuum to automatically clear hair and fibers from the brush roll, saving you time and hassle during cleaning. Next, let's discuss the advanced filtration process. With axial cyclonic technology, the WellQ7 efficiently separates dirt and dust inside the dustbin, ensuring that the debris doesn't end up back in your home. Additionally, its 5-step filtration system captures allergens, which can significantly improve the air quality in your living space. This makes it a great choice for families with allergies or pets, as it helps to keep your environment clean and healthy. Now, who is the Electrolux WellQ7 suitable for? If you're someone who values convenience and versatility, this vacuum is designed for you. Busy professionals, parents, and pet owners will all appreciate the ease of cordless cleaning and the ability to quickly switch between different cleaning modes. The vacuum's lightweight design also makes it manageable for those who may have difficulty handling heavier appliances. In terms of practical use cases, imagine this: you've just finished dinner, and there are crumbs scattered across the kitchen floor. Instead of dragging out a heavy vacuum, you can simply grab the WellQ7, switch it on, and clean up those messes in seconds. Or, if your furry friend has left a trail of hair on the sofa, the detachable handheld unit allows you to tackle that with ease. Another great aspect of this vacuum is its long-lasting cordless power. With up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, you can clean your entire home without worrying about running out of battery. This feature is especially useful for larger spaces or homes with multiple rooms, allowing you to maintain a thorough cleaning routine without interruptions. The WellQ7 comes equipped with essential accessories to enhance your cleaning experience. It includes the main vacuum unit, an E10 filter for optimal performance, a charging stand for easy storage, a telescoping reach tool for those high or awkward spots, and a small dusting brush for delicate surfaces. These thoughtful additions make it a comprehensive cleaning tool that is ready for any challenge. In summary, the Electrolux WellQ7 Cordless 2-in-1 vacuum with high suction power is an excellent choice for anyone looking for efficiency, versatility, and powerful cleaning capabilities. Its advanced filtration system, long battery life, and convenient design make it a worthy addition to your home cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.